you've seen butterflies, puppies, at 5 weeks old. Now let's go play with Flirts, little puppies. Are your puppies sleeping?
Puppies, where are you? Hey, come out of there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You guys are sleeping on the job. Come on, let's play. Let's go play. Puppies. Hi, Logan. Hi, Logan. Hi, Tammy. Who, you? You? Your name's Silver. You? Your name's Cash. You? You're Freddie. You're Bucky. Oh, look at you. You guys are getting teeth. Yay! That means you get hamburger next week. Oh, good. You'll love hamburger. Five weeks old. Time to microchip. Insert the chip. Put the wand over it to see if the chip's inside. Confirm that. On to the next one. Seven microchips. These puppies are all doing well, growing nicely. Next week, they get their first bath. That's always fun.
Hello. What are you gonna play? Hi.